Hey lovely people, you're welcome to Dr. Rose's kitchen. Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to achieve this flawless fufu without looking for pestle and mortar. Trust me, you're going to like it. Let's dive into the video. So first of all, we will add plantain. Okay, so that's my plantain. I'll wash it very well and start peeling it. Guys, if you are a fufu lover, this video is for you. Kindly sit down, grab some juice and enjoy this video. So we are going to peel this plantain as you are seeing. All right, so after peeling this plantain, make sure you chop it into chunks or into cubes depending on your blender. Okay, so guys, at this point I'm going to say thank you to all my subscribers and my returnees. Guys, you guys are so amazing. I really appreciate the support you guys are giving me. I hope you guys are not going to stop, because I will always bring you nothing but the best. Guys, after dicing it this way, you're going to put it in your blender and blend it very smooth. Okay, so make sure your blender is good at this point. All right, guys, I really enjoyed this fufu, and I paired it with my delicious chicken soup. Okay, so here we are about to blend our plantain. Make sure it's not too watery and make sure it's not too thick, okay? Because you're going to add the cocoyam flour or cocoyam powder to it. So guys, look at the consistency. It is not thick, it is not watery. So we are adding our cocoyam powder to it. Okay, so at this point, after adding the powder, it is going to thicken up, so you have to add another water and use your hands to mash it, okay, till there is no lump in it. After that, you are going to transfer it onto the stove and start stirring like making bangkun. Yes, so as you keep stirring, it is going to thicken, so it will thicken like big lumps, like the way you see how you see it in Bangkok. Exactly how you see it in Bangkok. It is going to form those big lumps. Okay, don't worry, just keep stirring till it has thickened. Then you start sorry guys, then you start to drive it. Okay, so keep driving, it is going to stretch, like the elasticity is going to be stretchy, very stretchy, like you pounding it in the mortar, exactly like the mortar fufu. And it doesn't taste different when you add the plantains to it. It tastes exactly like the mortar or the traditional way of making fufu. I hope you're definitely going to give it a try. I really enjoyed it with my soup. So look at the outcome. We will add water and then cover it. Okay, so when it boils, you flip it to the other side, and then sorry guys, I don't know why I'm belching. You flip it to the other side, and then you drive it or you beat it again. Then you bring it back into your earthenware, you dress it nicely, and you enjoy. Simple like that. If I tell you how many minutes I use in making this, you'll be shocked. Just some few minutes and I was done. I hope you're definitely going to give it a try. You know I bring you nothing but the best. Make sure you prepare very nice soup and pair with your fufu. See you in my next video. Bye.